Hello everyone, welcome back to Maitri's Satvik kitchen. Today we'll be preparing a Satvik Khichdi with absolutely organic brown rice. I'm using single polished brown rice here. I took a clay pot here, adding 1 cup of rice with 4 times water. So actually the more water the better it is because we are preparing khichdi. So even if whatever amount of water you are using, you can definitely keep adding wherever required while cooking. The main aim of Satvik cooking here at Maitri is to promote the health. So to make you much more healthier and also to get rid of any diseases which you are already suffering with. So many of you might be suffering with diabetes, hypertension, obesity or any other health issues, especially the chronic lifestyle disorders. So you can get rid of all those health problems with the Satvik cooking or Satvik recipes. Try to cook them as it is, as mentioned, so you will definitely get much more benefits than what you are expecting out of this cooking and eating. And of course, mindful eating is very much important in treating yourself and making you much more healthier. Rice is getting cooked thoroughly. Almost about 80 to 90% of cooking is done. That is the time to add vegetables. Here I have taken potato, long beans. Actually, whatever is available to you is better to use. So instead of going for, if I say green beans, then you have to go for green beans. Don't go like that. In your region, whichever vegetable is available. Here, these long beans are very common in monsoon. So I have taken long beans. I have taken 1 tomato, 1 carrot, 1 green chili, a few of curry leaves and coriander. You can also take lauki, pumpkin and other vegetables. And if you have green leaves like spinach, you can definitely add spinach. On the other hand, I am also boiling water so that if water is less, I can add it directly instead of adding cold water, which will actually disturb the cooking process. At this stage, add only carrots and beans, let it cook, and afterwards we can add other ingredients because the cooking time for these vegetables and the other vegetables is entirely different. Like green leaves are the last things to add. So based on what you are choosing, you have to add them. Wow, this is looking so nice. Indian flag color, saffron, green and white. After about 5 minutes, add turmeric, potatoes and curry leaves. After about another 5 minutes, I have added little water, hot water, and 1 green chili and 1 tomato. Now at this stage, I am adding salt and covering it. Finally, my lunch pot is ready. I am garnishing it with coriander and closing the lid and leaving it for another 5 minutes. Wow, it is looking so yummy and delicious. Try this recipe compulsorily and share your experience because this is very humble, very sattvic. It makes you feel much better and it will elevate your mood. At the same time, it will make you more healthy and it will heal all your diseases. So this can be a replacement for your regular meal which you usually cook with oil or deep fries and other curries. So this is one of the best and healthiest way. So keep trying these recipes. Stay tuned to the channel, and if you are new, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you will get the updates. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.